Hello everyone, your warm welcome to the course of FortiGate Firewall. So today we're going to see that how we can allow port numbers to access the application. So for example, this is my LAN topology. I took the basic example where this is my Windows host, this is my FortiGate Firewall which is connected to the internet. Okay, and in your LAN, for example, if you have an application called WhatsApp and your users, they try to access it, and the WhatsApp chatting is working but they cannot able to connect on a call. Okay, so how you can enable an application with the port numbers. So today we're going to see that. Let's get started. So here you can see on my screen that this is the FortiGate firewall dashboard, and to enable any application, what we do is we go to security profiles, we go to application control, and we create an application which is called WhatsApp. Okay, so what I'm doing is that this is the default one, I'm cloning it, so whatever is there in your organization is there. Okay, I just make WhatsApp allowed. Okay, we are also allowing VOIP as well, so that's why I write VOIP. They said the special characters are not allowed. Okay, we type just WhatsApp allowed. Okay, press OK. We just go here, go to edit. Inside that there are list of applications over there, and there is an option, right? Monitor, block, quarantine, and allow, right? As normal as it is. Now the WhatsApp comes in social media, right? Where we enable the monitor mode. Now here is the application filter overrides. We go here, we first select the application, right? The action we are doing is allowing. Now here we select WhatsApp, we search it. Here you can see VoIP is also there where we can call, right? We selected all. Okay, WhatsApp web, WhatsApp file transfer, where you can transfer the file. I've elected all those, I've selected, and I've allowed. Okay, so this is where you did this application profile and press OK, and you can add this to your firewall policy, right? That this is my firewall policy where LAN to internet is connected. Now I go here, I go to edit, and you can see here that what all services I allowed. I allowed HTTP, HTTPS, email access, that in my LAN network there are the employees are having the email access and web access where they can access the webs, right? I scroll down, I select under application control as WhatsApp allowed. Okay, and I enable this policy and I allow, right? The policy has already been enabled, so no need to touch that. So you can see here that the WhatsApp application control policy has been allowed, right? Now this is just the basic one. Now I'm showing you that how you can enable the port numbers. So before that, what you do is first you have to search that what ports are allowed to access WhatsApp VoIP services. So here we go here. You can see here the WhatsApp uses the TCP port 443, HTTPS, HTTP for voice. If voice, these are the ports. Okay, right? So these are the TCP ports and these are the UDP ports which needs to be allowed. Now we go to FortiGate firewall. We select this, we edit. Under that, under services, to enable the ports. Now we create new. Okay, create a service. This will take some time. WhatsApp ports for VoIP. Okay, we select the category as uncategorized, no problem. Now we want to select TCP IP. We need TCP UDP, correct? IP ranges, okay, 0000 to any range. Now we select the port numbers. So the TCP port numbers are 4244, 4244, 5222, So these are the TCP port. For UDP, we select this, we select UDP, and we give any IP address, any port numbers, right? And just press OK. Okay, when you press OK, just select this WhatsApp port for VoIP and close, and just press OK. So here, this is just the example I showed you. Even if you have, for example, to connect a WhatsApp port for VoIP, you selected multiple ports, right? And you are not sure that which port is exactly working. So what you should do is you should remove one port numbers and try to access the VoIP. If it stop working, then it is sure that that port might be in use for VoIP calling, right? So try that. If you do not want, or if for the security reason you cannot able to allow more number of ports, so for exact relevant port, you just try each port numbers before calling, and then you can able to do it. So this is just the basic solution to allow the ports to access the application. Okay, so this is it, guys. Thanks for watching.